Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Welcome back, everyone. It's Fairbanks Evening News, and it's time once again for our weather segment. Mike Schultz with you. It's starting off with our photograph. This one's sent in by Bill Cody. A little bit of humor here. Cody says this is the new salt lick at mile 39 on the Chena Hot Springs Road. Look at all three of those moose down there. Well, it could be. Who knows? Anyway, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to me at Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Well, what's going on temperature-wise? You can see our high today, only 20 degrees. As right now, 16 degrees, low last night 8, and the wind chill factor was right around 10 to 15 below all day long. Record high 56, 1940, record low 30 below 1911, sunrise 6:52, sunset not quite 9 o'clock this evening, giving us 14 hours and 7 minutes of daylight, again 7 minutes from yesterday. What's going on in the satellite picture? Things are starting to happen now. You see the clouds starting to clear, a little thicker coming in from western Canada, and we also have a pretty good area of low pressure that's going to be developing right around the Kodiak Island area, moving into Prince William Sound, which is a favorite place to get snow, at least for Anchorage, not necessarily for us, but for Anchorage. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. As you can see across the state today, we had a little rain shower activity around Ketchikan, clouds at Cold Bay, and the rest of the state looking pretty good. Lots of sunshine everywhere you look, but cool temperatures, 2 below at Barrow and 2 above at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather tonight, heading on down there. We're looking at some more rain across the Pacific Northwest, also rain moving into the Central Plains. Other than that, not too much going on. On the satellite radar, you can see a little more moisture moving across, frozen moisture in the Great Lakes, and more of activity moving across the Pacific Northwest, a pretty good storm system there. And the jet stream is going to be taking a different change in the next week. It's actually going to be, once again, diving way down to the south, which means it pulls lots of cold air all the way down to the, around Arizona and New Mexico, and then runs across the east coast with nice weather to the south. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Isolated flurries for Barrow, sunny in Nome, and cloudy skies at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we're looking at cloudy skies with afternoon flurries at Fairbanks and Healy. Maybe a chance of snow in Healy, though. And as far as the southeast, wind and rain in Juneau, with rain increasing for Ketchikan. Over the southwest, we're looking at partly cloudy skies at Bethel, mostly sunny for Cold Bay, but rain and snow in Kodiak. And here's the difference here. Look at south central Alaska, snow developing for Anchorage, snow showers at Homer and Valdez. Anchorage could have by Sunday close to 10 inches of snow. And it's supposed to be getting close to spring, right? All right, it's a Friday night, which means it's time for our Winter Trails Report from the folks at Beaver Sports. Cool temperatures will continue through the weekend, but should not prohibit any outdoor activities. Slopes will be great, along with trails throughout the interior, and of course, good for you snow machiners, too. Here's our forecast for the remainder of the night. 2 degrees below zero. Winds will be decreasing. That's the good news, with mostly clear skies. But tomorrow we're looking at 20 degrees and cloudy and not as cold with afternoon flurries, but still good for much for kids for the all day long activities there. Here's your 5-day outlook. As you can see here, 25 on Sunday, but then slowly increasing. The 40s are gone that we were talking about last night. Unfortunately, where the cool air is going to stick around a little bit longer. Still temperatures will be in the mid 30s, which isn't too bad. And the overnight lows will also be very comfortable, at least in the teens above zero, and no more precipitation expected after Sunday.